What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Sofi video. I wanted to make a quick video because this thing is blowing up. I don't know if you guys remember, but I recently made a video on Sofi telling you guys to keep an eye out for this thing because as I mentioned, they had a bank charter deal that was pending, and now it has officially gone through. So Sofi will be becoming a bank, right? So I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys the chart. So as you can see, this thing went from a low of 1202 and it just kind of gapped up, right? And it gapped up to this $14 range up here, and it's still moving upward, right? So we are trading above the 50-day MA, and also the 20-day moving average, but still trading below the 120-day moving average. So look for this stock to get above the 120-day moving average, right? That will be incredibly bullish for this stock, and that is 1434. Right now it's trading at 1423. So look for it to get above that, and then the next resistance for this stock would be right around 1522, guys. So if I was looking to get into a position, I'd probably be watching for it to get above this 120-day moving average, and then entering a position and selling out, right? Getting out around this $15-22 mark. As we can see, the RSI went into oversold territory, right? So it broke below, and then so that's why we're seeing this big gap up. So that's a good sign. We just gotta watch for it. If it goes to overbought, right? If it goes above and goes to overbought, then we can expect a move down, which might just be a healthy pullback before another move up, right? So if anything, I could see it going like this, and then hitting 1522, possibly getting batted back down, maybe even back down to the original 120-day moving average, and then up and away, right, guys, to the next level of resistance, which would be 1584. And if it can get above that, then we're talking 16, which we've seen this stock do very easily. And then the next level of resistance would be 1649, right? So hopefully Sofi can make this big move, as we know it has in the past. If we zoom out, we see that it's gone up to 2465. So I actually expect this thing to make a move back up to the 20s pretty soon, right? So definitely keep an eye out on this one. It's looking good right now. There was a news article that came out also. Let's see. So it says Sofi stock soars after clearing final regulatory hurdle to become a bank. So that's exactly what I was telling you guys, right? So it just says the shares rallied more than 60% in after hours trading on Tuesday. So yeah, yesterday I actually was not paying attention, and I'm actually feeling a little sick. So I just kind of looked at my phone like in the evening, and I seen Sofi was up like 14% or something after hours. I was like, what the heck? So I was like, okay, the charter must have went through, right? And so this article goes on to say that Sofi received approval from the Office of Controller of the Currency. So they will be becoming a bank, but it's technically not a bank like many fintech companies. It relies on, this is before. They relied on partnerships to hold customer deposits and issue loans. Let me see. So I don't want to go over this whole thing. While officially entering the banking business brings on more regulatory oversight. Sorry, guys, that's my dog going crazy. I think the mailman's here. But back to this. So A national bank charter will allow lending at more competitive interest rates and give SoFi customers higher yielding accounts. So this is very important, right? This could give the stock another boost, another push up, right? They're going to offer more competitive interest rates, right? So I actually have a loan with them, so I wish I got some of those more competitive interest rates, but that's totally fine. It's not a big deal. This important steps allows us to add to our broad suite of financial products and services to better serve our members during our major financial moments in their lives and other moments in between. And so it goes on to say that SoFi has been on the hunt for a bank charter for more than 3 years. So before going on the bank acquisition route, if filled an application for the charter with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, and the OCC granted preliminary approval in October. So it says the company went public last year by merging with a blank check company, which was run by venture capital investor Chamath Palihapitiya. Shares have been under pressure, which we have seen, the stock getting, shot down recently as of late, as investors rotate away from high growth tech stock companies, right? So all of this inflation news, right, and the Fed kind of, has been kind of steering investors away from high growth tech companies and just growth stocks in general, right? And as of Tuesday, shares were down 23% to start the year. So yeah, I mean, this is still something to be wary about and stay cautious, right? Because of definitely everybody's still in kind of this state of fear and panic because of the interest rates increasing this year, right, from the Fed. So still definitely, you still want to keep your eye on it, and you don't want to go in. I wouldn't, right? Not financial advice, but I wouldn't go in, all in, right? But this is definitely a good one to keep your guys' eye on. And then lastly, I want to go over tip ranks with you guys. So on the last video that I did about SoFi, they gave this an 8. So now it has gone up to 10, right? 7 buy, 3 hold. So these are analysts. This is an analyst rating consensus. So that's really good, right? Really bullish. The highest target price is $30. From the average is $21.40, and the lowest is $16. So this is kind of the range that this stock has been trading in. I believe this actually went up. So it's kind of been, in this range, right? 16 to 20 something. So this is really good. Actually, it got upgraded, so that's great. Now let me see. And then the stock analysis. So last time I shared this data with you guys, they gave it a smart score of a 3, so now it has improved to a 4, so that's good. And then consensus moderate buy. Yeah, we know the average price is $21.40. That's good. Tip ranks investors sentiment is very positive, right? Up 4.8% in the last 7 days, so that's really awesome. News sentiment is bullish. That's good, right? Blogger opinions are bullish. Hedge fund trend has decreased, but that's fine, right? We already knew that. Hopefully this will start to increase as, the news just came out that they are able to become a bank now. And then so this right here is good, right? Trend bought shares. So over 1.5 billion have been bought over the last 3 months. So that's good, man. Seeing a lot of positive stuff with this stock. So definitely keep an eye on it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm feeling a little under the weather. I'm going to go get a COVID test, but I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.